Hi, I'm Niraj Inamdar. I was CA finalist and a TY BCom student at Indira College of Commerce and Science. Just imagine how tough it could have been managing my CA studies along with my BCom ones, especially the exam pressure and everything. In fact, there were instances where our CA exams and BCom exam dates used to get clashed. But fortunately, at Indira College of Commerce and Science, they conduct special examinations for students pursuing professional courses or any student who is a national level sports person in case of such clashes, ultimately relieving our tension for backlog. I would like to add, you will be amazed to know that our college arranges special dates for practical submissions, internal evaluations and vivas for students pursuing professional courses or working professionals. Ultimately, this relieves our pressure of submitting it on time and everything. So we can focus more on our main professional goals like CA, CS, CMA, ACCA, CFA, which are highly paid and well-reputed courses in commerce. Our college also arranges special panel discussions with working professionals of CA, CS, CMA who come and guide us regarding our future, and they are basically alumni of our college. Ultimately, my journey of pursuing CA along with BCom was very smooth at Indira College of Commerce and Science.